Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on microphone on iPhone in any of your apps. So let's get started. First open settings. Now scroll down a little bit and select privacy. Under battery you will see privacy. Go to privacy and then select microphone. On those various apps, so potential if you are trying to record say a TikTok video or Instagram video but your microphone isn't working, you can go through these steps. You can toggle it back on. If it's off, you can try turn it off. If it's on, you can do whatever you want, and this will control the microphone use on these different apps. And as you can see, on my apps Instagram, microphone is disabled. We just swipe the slider to the right side to enable microphone on Instagram app. And of course, if I try to record some video on TikTok, my microphone now is off, and we should swipe the slider to the right side to enable microphone on TikTok app. And of course, you can choose any of these apps and enable your microphone to use. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.